We are EduSoft Software Training Services. This is the video tutorial for beginners in 3ds Max software.
Hello friends. Today's session we will discuss about creating copies of the object. With 3ds Max, you can quickly create multiple versions of one or more selection. To create a copy of an object, you have to use either of move, rotate and scale tool. Soon after applying these tools and object selection, hold Shift key and complete the action to open Clone dialog box. You can select either of the options: copy, instance, reference, and can give the number of copies to generate as per the action be done while holding the Shift key. In the dialog box, copy options creates independent copy of the original. While instance creates interchangeable copy of the original. Reference creates one-way dependent copy. That is, any modifications made to the original object will be passed on to its reference, but will not do in reverse. This is the original object. Thank you for watching this video.